All right, guys and gals, we're doing a Walmart haul again because this is the weekend. That's when we go to Walmart, and 2 or 3 times during the week sometimes. But first off, I went to a small market that we have in Piketon, Ohio, called Richie's, and that's the only place that we can get spicy Hawaiian ham that Billy likes. So I got some of that. And they're talking about discontinuing it. Like, man, just everywhere. We used to get it in 2 other places, and they discontinued it. So they were talking about it too. I guess we're the only ones who like it.
I don't think they advertise it enough to let people know that they have it. Because you never see no signs out about it.
We happened to see it one day, and we're like, oh, there, we can get it there. So we know they have it, but they may not soon. But I got some boneless pork chops there. And this is $4.11 and $3.99 a pound. So I got that. I always like some pork. I'll fry it in a little bit of butter in an iron skillet. Put some salt and pepper on that, baby. And I've got the My Premier mustard potato salad because we're having catfish nuggets and Billy wanted some potato salad. And he's going to fix some baked beans. So maybe I'll show a little bit of that. This is $3.89 a pound. So this was $4.32. And here is the ham. I got a pound of it just because instead of just a half. And it's made by Eckrich. It's Eckrich Spicy Pineapple Ham. It's $8.29 a pound.
Yeah, it ain't cheap.
So that was $9.20. And their lunch meat there is usually pretty reasonable, but this stuff is, I guess it's high end because, you know, Billy is high end.
Yeah, right.
And we got some pepper jack cheese, and I got a half a pound of that, and that was $5.99 there. So it was $3.47.
So that slider meal is going to be expensive.
Well, we're not going to use all of it. Not all of it.
No, I might eat a piece out the while.
All right, so now we're on to Walmart. I got an ice cream scoop because I want to make some cookies bigger, so that's why I got this one. And this was $5.84, 85 cents. And I got some onions, and they were $2.94 for a pack of yellow onions. So let's get them out of the way. And here are the King's Hawaiian rolls. Those aren't cheap either.
No.
Those are $4.48. I got 3 jalapenos because I made jalapeno poppers the other day and I had some leftover stuffing. So I thought, I'll just get some out here because that's in the refrigerator. And the jalapenos were 53 cents for the 3. And I got a green bell pepper right here. And that was 82 cents.
We're having those sliders tomorrow at the church.
We've been talking about it for a couple of days. Like, oh yeah. So I got some more apples because we're going to do a video coming up of candy apples. So, I got 2 bags of Granny Smith, which are $3.97 a bag. So we got those.
And hopefully they're the good ones.
They have been pretty good. Because that's what I've been buying. And they do have a little bit of tartness.
That's what I like.
And I got a Dawn dishwashing liquid. And that was, anybody guess?
$5.99.
$4.94.
I was close.
You was way off. I got some sweetened condensed milk, just because I like to have extra on hand. I already have some in there, but I always like to have extra because I don't want to go to the store. It's like, oh man, I don't have one.
You hate to start baking something and then not have
I'm like,
what you
man,
need.
I don't have it. And that was $1.78 for each of those. Ingredients are expensive.
Yeah, they are.
All right, so I got some cinnamon rolls, 2-pack of Pillsbury, which I got 2 of those. And those were on sale for $4.46 for 2.
And what are you doing with them?
I am going to make some cinnamon pumpkin monkey bread because somebody wanted some.
Somebody ordered it, so.
Mm-hmm. And they know that's what I use. You know, it's hard to make your own cinnamon rolls and use them in that. So they know, they tasted it, they bought it, they know that's what I got. So it's not like I'm trying to pull one over on them.
No, we're always up front with everything.
And I'm trying to find this. I got some McCormick, it's English toffee sugar. So it'll go up on top of like cookies or whatever. But it's English toffee flavor.
Well, but that's good.
Yeah. All right. And of course I had to get some more semi-sweet mini chips. And those were $3.77 a piece. And had to get some of this. I have some, but we got to keep it on hand.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is the spicy chicken fried Louisiana. We love that. And I even add some more cayenne when we do it. Sometimes it is so hot I have to get some ranch to tame that baby down because it makes your nose run. But it's good.
And I love it.
And it's not, I don't know, and I'm not much on liking really hot stuff, but I like that. I'm weird, I know.
Wait, you like me, don't you?
Ha ha. So that was $1.98. I don't know if I told you.
Come on, girls, tell her. Billy's hot stuff.
And then I got
Not.
some whipped cream. And that was $1.12. I got a half a gallon of milk. We don't use much milk, so sometimes we even have to pour it out, even at a half a gallon. So a half a gallon of milk was $1.82. And remember, guys, we are in southern Ohio, so I know prices are different everywhere. That's why I like to tell you. So there's the other thing of cinnamon rolls. I got a 1 pound of mozzarella cheese shredded because I like to have, that was $3.48. I like to make a no crust pizza in my air fryer. That's how I burned my arm the other day. I've been buying the liners to put in, and then I just put cheese and pepperoni and then like onions and green peppers and banana peppers and some pepper flakes.
Yeah, she don't even use any sauce.
Yeah, I don't care if I have sauce or not. The other day I had tomato, so I just sliced a tomato up on the bottom and put that in there. And I know we can shred our own cheese, and we have done that, but a lot of times we shred so much and we don't eat it and it gets moldy, so I don't like that either. I don't want to get rid of that. And I got...
Well, and that bag of cheese lasts forever because, you know, it's full of preservatives.
Yeah, thanks for telling me that. Sweet potato fries. I've got him hooked on these. This is our second bag of them.
Oh, those are so good. We put those in the air fryer.
We put them in the air fryer, spray a little olive oil on them, and they get brown and crunchy.
Oh, my, they're good.
He loves that.
If you've never tried that, guys, y'all try it. It is so good.
Those are $5.42, and for us, we ate on them 4 times. So half a bag, and then we split that. So he got 2 meals out of it. I got 2 meals. And that's it for that. And I did buy some other things, but it's not on this receipt here. I'll show you, because, you know, the baby is teething, and when she comes here, she don't take a plug, so she's constantly trying to bite and whine, so I got some teethers. Got a little baby teether. This is a little elephant. And then I got one because we're going to keep that in the refrigerator for her. This ain't going nowhere. It's staying here. And I got some little rubber spoons for the end. Because she'll be eating one of these days.
She already is.
She does have her eating some cereal and stuff right now. And then these are lots of links. There's 24 in here, so you can put them together. Put them like on your car seat or stroller so they hang down and they can pull them. There'd be like a teether too. They're made out of silicone or something. They're rubber. They're soft. So, you know, we got to think of the baby too.
Always.
So, that be it, guys. If you have any questions on anything, just leave it below in the comment section. And let us know. And how are the prices in your area, and tell us where you're from so we can compare. Because I think ours, I mean, nothing's reasonable.
No.
But I've been to others and seen what the prices are. And it's like, oh my goodness, it's so expensive. It costs more than what ours is. And I think I know, like in Washington State, it's going to cost more. California, maybe. New York, places like that. Hawaii. But let us know if you have any little markets and stuff like that you like to go to. We have two. We have, like I said, Richie's in Piketon, Ohio, and the Corner Market in Chillicothe, Ohio.
And we love them both.
Yeah, we do. You can ask them to get something at the Corner Market. They'll order it for you and get it in without any question. They'll make up trays, like meat trays, cheese trays, whatever you want on it. They're really good in there too. And they've been there for many years.
And they have good lunch meat and stuff too. So.
Yep, they do.
And we buy a lot of chicken at Corner Market.
Yep, chicken that we bring home to cook. But they have a little place where they fry chicken. They have chicken livers and gizzards and
yummy
egg rolls and just, deviled eggs. They have a hot section, a cold section. You go in there and grab, and usually that place is busy, isn't it?
Always.
And we go in there and there's a line.
You always have to stand in line.
Yeah.
But that's a sign that they have good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And reasonably priced.
Yes, they do have reasonably good prices. You can get...
for, the economy is now, so.
The chicken legs are fairly cheap there if you eat chicken legs. Now, I like chicken legs every once in a while. I'm not a big fan of thighs, but chicken legs, I like
it all.
Yeah.
Except breasts, they're too dry. That's the only thing I don't like about the chicken breasts.
Unless we do tenders.
Yeah.
He likes the tenders because you don't have to fry them as long, so they're not really that dry. And he's been using honey mustard now. He likes
dip it in honey mustard.
And by the way, I did see the Kraft honey mustard at Richie's today. We couldn't find it anywhere except the Corner Market. So now I know Richie's has it. Walmart don't have it in Kraft, and Kroger don't have it in Kraft.
And that's the best, I think.
So he likes that. All right, I guess that's it for this one, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and hype. We got to add that one on there too. There's a hype button underneath the video itself.
Like where the comment thing is, if you slide that to the left, it'll show you the hype.
Yeah, it's like share, hype, save, all that, and hype is on there. And Billy found out you can do 3 a week. And the more hypes I get from you guys, the more they'll show our videos. So we're trying to get out there.
We appreciate it if you do that for us.
Yes, we would so much appreciate it. And we appreciate you all anyway.
Yes, we do.
So that's just an added bonus for us. Helps us get out there. And Christmas is coming.
I know.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.